India remembers. On this day, exactly 2 years ago, the country witnessed a horrific terror strike in the nation's financial capital, Mumbai. For 3 days, the city was held hostage to 10 terrorists who came in from Pakistan. Nearly 180 people died on 26/11 and the days that followed. Since then, the discourse on terrorism has changed forever. Today, India remembers those who died, the heroes that fought, and the glaring lack of justice. Good evening and welcome to this edition of Left, Right and Centre. I'm Nidhi Razdan. Over the next 60 minutes, we ask, are we better prepared for another terror strike should it happen? And has the demand for justice from Pakistan become futile? Also, later on in the show, it's the lowest ever tally for the Congress in Bihar, just 4 seats. Is the Rahul Gandhi magic just a myth? Joining me on the program tonight, former Foreign Secretary Shyam Saran joins us, Manish Tiwari, Congress spokesperson and Lok Sabha MP. Here in Delhi, we have 2 eminent journalists, Swapan Das Gupta and Siddharth Bhatia, who's based in Mumbai and has flown down for us today, and Mr. Amarjeet Singh Dullat, the former head of India's external intelligence agency, RAW. From Pakistan, we're going to be shortly joined by Imtiaz Gul, well-known political analyst and journalist. But first tonight, on the 2nd anniversary of the Mumbai attacks, tributes across India for the victims. Home Minister Chidambaram, who was in Mumbai for the commemorations that took place, cautioned that Pakistan had made many promises, but that those had not been fulfilled. He also said there's a need to pay attention to proper training and weapons for the police, saying there are more than 3 lakh vacancies in police forces across India. That brings us to our first question tonight. 2 years later, are we better prepared? And Mr. Dullat, I think you're the best person to answer that question. You know, some would say that given our lack of preparedness 2 years ago, perhaps a really big low point for us, we would obviously be a little better prepared. But is that because we are better prepared, or because the ISI and the LET are under more international surveillance and therefore are keeping a lower profile?
No, I think definitely we are better prepared. There's a better awareness. There is more focus. And, you know, if you look back prior to 26/11, most states seem to feel that they would be largely unaffected, or that terror would not strike them. Basically, outside Delhi and Mumbai, most people were not really prepared. I remember when the blasts in Jaipur took place some years ago, the Rajasthan police was taken totally unawares. So today there is an awareness, there is a focus, there is a much better coordination. You have a home minister who drives everybody hard. He's focused. He doesn't take no for an answer easily. And he makes sure that all the key players keep their eye on the ball. So I think we are better prepared, definitely.
What are the missing links in your opinion, though? Because, for instance, bulletproof jackets, something as basic as bulletproof jackets, have still not come for the police in Mumbai, and that was something that was such a big issue at that time. Or you have ID cards for fishermen along the coast. Our maritime security, I think, is still comparatively weak. What, in your mind, are still the holes that we need to fill?
As long as we remain focused, as long as we understand that terrorism is there, it's not going to go away easily. And if there hasn't been a big terror strike in the last 2 years, as you said, possibly Pakistan is under some amount of external pressure. And they also know you can't get away with the Mumbai every time.
Which doesn't mean it won't happen again.
Beg your pardon?
Which doesn't mean it won't happen again.
No, it won't. That's what I was coming to. There is an unpredictability about terrorism. And it normally happens when you least expect it. The Home Minister himself has acknowledged that one of the reasons that nothing has happened is that I think possibly we've been lucky. So whatever you might do, there is no foolproof security against terror.